name is Daryl, and I think I'm cool, but I'm not.
Like this.
I'm
next. I'm next.
My name's Daryl, and I think I have game, but I don't. That's okay, cause I'm really a lame. Oh, I suck.
That's fire. Hi, my name's Daryl Burton, and I like cats and kittens and driving around and working at friggin' Target.
Check
Sir, can I push that cart for you?
Check the collar.
Sir, can I push that cart for you? Or
Aww.
now I'm Daryl. Because I was shot in the mouth 9 times. That's how I laugh. I used to go. Hold on. Your turn. No! That was good. No!
Zooming on that one gunshot, man. Right there, baby.
Get close up on it. Don't get too close up in it.
Dale, you're boring. Do something interesting.
I know.
Don't poke me. That's not interesting.
Interesting.
Yo!
Alright, time to put on the beat.
I need a beat.